Someone mentioning something about struggling with split time. I think this is one of the best drills in the world for that. Is just split, 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 split. Same, 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 same. Split, 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 split. Same, 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 same. And then for people who are struggling with the concept of split time, like they don't understand how to do it, I have them do drumming drills on themselves. Same, 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 same. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Same, 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 same. This also becomes the precursor to the polyrhythmic drills, though. This might be fun for you. And this can actually help with your flowers that you're doing, because what we're doing is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or switching it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I switched right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. It's very hard, yes, but these polyrhythmic drills are so useful for helping you get there. So if you're struggling with that, we can do it slower. So it's the basic drill is so we're doing a 3. This is a 3x1 because we're doing the 4-petal flower, which is 3 rotations in the same interval as 1. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Switch 1, 2. The first one. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, I need to go slower for you. Sorry. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Now switch 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Both. You're not doing both. Okay, yeah, both. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Every third beat they should both go. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Not 1, 2, 3. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. Both 1, 2. This is a lovely polyrhythmic drill. So I have both of them hitting, right? And now I'm going to do 3 with the right to 1 with the left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You may or may not have noticed as you were doing the drills, there's more than one way to accomplish the polyrhythmic. One way to accomplish it is to just spin faster. One way to accomplish it is to make the other hand spin a larger rotation, which takes more time. And another way to do it is a little bit of both. Because, you know, size matters. This is the graduated drill from the clapping drill.